So in yesterday's video, I wanted to tell you about my commitment to making a YouTube channel. And in that commitment, I was going to upload a video once a day. So today I'm proposing that I'm going to try to make a video every day until my next birthday. So in keeping with that theme, I decided to kind of go ahead and tell you why I want to make a YouTube channel in the first place. There's really three big reasons why I wanted to start a YouTube channel. One is that I want to teach you guys how to make money. Two, I want to kind of use this channel as kind of a resume for myself and share with all you guys what type of skills I got and kind of share those skills. And the other thing is just kind of making a snapshot of your life so you can sit and remember and look back on with your kids moments that you went through. The first part I want to kind of talk and share, I want to teach you guys how to make money. Now I know a lot of you have come to my channel because you saw the Me at the Zoo
Alright,
video.
so here we are in front of the elephants. And the cool thing about these guys is they got really long trunks.
So if you saw that video and you subscribed to that channel, I want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. The main reason why I created that video in the first place is I have a website called Traferral, which means travel referral. And what that does is it helps people make money. It's kind of like Amazon's affiliate program, and Traferral is an affiliate program in the travel industry space. For example, if you look at the Me at the Zoo video, you'll see down below in the descriptions there's a link to buy a ticket to Zoo Miami. If you came to my YouTube channel because you saw my video Me at the Zoo, I encourage you to visit Traferral.com, register, and start using these links on your social media sites or anywhere, your YouTube videos, your descriptions, anywhere you want to put it, and that might be a place that you can kind of earn some money back for, you know, putting some video content out there. But that was the number one reason why I started this YouTube channel in the first place. And the second reason why I wanted to have a YouTube channel is that I want to showcase my skills. I've been a graphic designer, web developer, video editor, probably for about 15 years. And I have a lot of skills, and I want to kind of showcase that. So sometimes you'll see videos of me doing some graphic design. Sometimes I'll show and explain some how to do coding or how to edit a video, and that's kind of my way of just saying and sharing with you guys some of the skills that I learned over the years. I think some of the things that I learned I can share with you all so that you guys can either be encouraged to develop skills on your own, or I can share some of my tips to kind of make it easier. And that's very important to me. And the third reason why I want to have a YouTube channel is because I want to kind of remember the journey being an entrepreneur and trying to grow my business. But as a family guy who has kids, I think I want to remember some of these travel vacations that I share with them. I want to, you know, capture these moments because they're so precious, and you can find a way to kind of share it. And I think it's important. There's been many nights that my kids will, you know, want to watch my YouTube channel and watch, you know, their younger selves and see themselves while we were doing some things. So that's been very important for me to continue. I try to encourage people to do that all the time, is, you know, take your videos, learn how to edit, and then post them somewhere that you can kind of remember that. And that's really my whole thing. So if you came to my channel because you saw the Me at the Zoo video, I appreciate that. I hope you stick around. I hope you go to Traferral.com and register and try to learn what that is. And if there's anything I can kind of share or do, then I would love to do that. I would love you to learn some new skills or be encouraged to, when you come visit Miami, take some of these tours and activities that I post or talk about. And I would love to kind of share some of my travel vacations, whether we go to Legoland, whether we go to different places, Disney World, Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween. I think it's cool to kind of look back and capture those moments. But anyways, I appreciate your time. This is my way of explaining what type of video you'll see on my channel, and I hope you're encouraged to start your own YouTube channel. And I'd love to, you know, comment down below in this video, and I appreciate it.